Hello everyone, today I have made a Lego elevator that actually works, and it basically goes up and down, and I have used my robotics over here and this machine to make it work, and this lever is actually making it go up and down. And now I'm going to show you how it works. So first you obviously need to set it up, and here's the code. And first you have to press this button, and you press this button which just takes it up and down. So if I press it, I have to do this, and then it goes down, and then if I press this, it goes up. So you do and that's how it works. I hope you like it.